sour, sweet. I'm going to put all of these in a single bag and then just pull them out at random.
I think the fidget spinner. I like fidget spinners, but I like camo. So, fidget spinner.
Wait, now I haven't had these since I was a kid, but on the back it says, consuming more than one piece at a time may cause irritation to the mouth. Sensitive people should not eat these. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit worried.
I don't know what that is. You shake it.
This concoction. We've also got sour mawam,
I don't know what that is.
cherries, actually mega sour cherries, and sour apples
See?
as well. So I'm gonna mix these up. In goes some of the apples. Oh man, more apples, then some mega sour.
And take these off.
All going in there. Then we've got some mawam all up in there. This is, I feel like a witch. A sour one. And then finally, some toxic waste. Now, we've got some that are in wrappers, some that aren't in wrappers, so I'm not going to be able to tell the difference. And I'm just going to have to pick one, and the first one that comes out is one I eat. Only if I get it wrong. There we go. 5 toxic waste. I am not looking forward to that. Now we need to shake it. There we go. Sealed and ready. So, what's our first question? Would you rather have an uncontrollable itch that attacks at sporadic times, so completely randomly, or would you always have chapped lips? Ooh. So I need to pick the one, not that I would choose, but the one that I think most people would choose. I really don't want to eat these. I'm going to go with, the uncontrollable...
I think a bunny's out of Gamboa.
Yes!
Okay.
Oh, so close! 4%! Oh my goodness! Would you rather be accomplished and famous and die at 18, or be ordinary and die at a reasonable age?
Alright, so yeah. There's fidget spinner, camo.
Shut up!
18 is so young.
Here's some other 50 kills. I'm recording. It's going on YouTube.
Say, would you rather be trapped in a sandstorm or trapped in a snowstorm? I'm gonna say snowstorm. It's cold.
I think they put it in.
Your eyes, ears, gross.
It don't stay in.
Snowstorm.
So,
Yeah. Would you rather walk barefoot in a Lego factory or walk barefoot on burning hot coals? Oh, this is tricky. Burning hot coals are obviously burning hot. Lego, oh no, everyone's done that. If you haven't done that yet, be prepared
You're watching
for the first time you walk on Legos.
I don't know.
Not nice. I'm gonna say burning hot
18 m.
No.
My favorite YouTuber is The Wolf Galaxy.
21%, that was such a bad one. Right. Okay, so I'm gonna close
I also did the phone. It's Galaxy 4 Prime. So yeah, it didn't go so well. So, yeah.
No, already? Is this a joke? Toxic waste.
Everybody says this, the one finger's kind of hard. See, I go to self question.
Okay. Here we go. Here we go.
Tomorrow I want to do the 1,000 per hour, that 1,000 speed thing of these. Once when you do this, it's kind of hard.
Let's move on.
On the box that case underlined it. Come in class.
Okay, it's wearing off now. Oh my goodness. I would rather, wait. People would rather...
Ow. See?
Red. Yeah. Oh man. Okay. Yeah. I'm a real man. Gotta survive. Would you rather have an average house in the middle of the city?
If I can get a yes, if I can get 10 likes, one day, I'll show this tomorrow when you go to 10,000, my knuckle, hitting my knuckle. So, I promise, my YouTube channel, this is my first video, I will do it. Hear that? If I can get 10 likes in one day or more, I'll do the 1,000 thing, 1,000 per hour, and it's hitting my knuckle. It's gonna hurt, but guess what?
Look at his face.
What?
Look at his face.
Here we go. You ready?
It's either Wolf Galaxy
Toxic waste.
or Atlantic Craft.
It's another toxic waste.
We're waiting for our Minecraft to come back in. We broke it. Oh no, well, we didn't break it. We don't know who did. It was on our King on PS3. We have PS3 and Xbox 360, but we gave it back to his sister, and we have PS4. See, yeah. This is kind of fun. I hurt your finger afterwards. Keep doing it. See, all right here, if you can't see, they're kind of blackish, reddish. Right there, it's kind of like blackish, reddish. Beautiful. Look.
$5 million from your release, or not go to prison and never become rich. That was hard. That was very hard. I want to say.
Well, Walker Galaxy has been posting videos for a while. So, yeah, this is gonna be a goodbye for this first video. See you, subscribe, and take a like, link below, okay? Bye.